Amowa, the garden of deserving. Teramo, quantum opening. What if within you there existed a secret garden where all the blessings you believe you deserve bloom, as well as those you still do not allow yourself to receive? Aramovo Seroba, one deep gaze. Deserving is not a currency someone gives us, but the fertile soil where our inner seeds can grow. When we believe we are undeserving, it's like watering the garden with poisoned water. The flowers wither and the fruits do not ripen. The soul comes with a seed of abundance inscribed in its DNA. But the ego, with its ancient voices, convinces us that we are less, that we must pay with suffering for what truly already belongs to us. 2. Psychological foundations. Humanistic psychology reminds us that self-actualization is born from authenticity. To accept that we are worthy simply by existing. Transpersonal psychology invites us to recognize that we are more than our history. We are part of a cosmic fabric that supports us. For example, a child never asks if they deserve to breathe. They simply breathe. In the same way, our essence also deserves to love, create, and receive. 3. Applied biodecoding. When the body screams, "I don't deserve," it can express this through pain in the chest, the weight of lack of love, digestive problems, difficulty accepting good things, chronic fatigue, or resistance to going with the flow of life. The path to liberation is to recognize the hidden emotion. Ask yourself, what part of me still believes I can't have this? 4. Quantum NLP tools. 1. Deservingness anchoring. Close your eyes. Recall a moment when you received something beautiful effortlessly. Clench your fist and repeat, "I deserve simply for being." 2. Belief rewriting. Transform "I can't" into "I'm learning to." 3. Visualization. Imagine your inner garden full of radiant fruits coming to you without limit. Tasico. 5. Spiritual perspective. Christ consciousness teaches us that we are all worthy heirs to universal abundance. Deservingness is not a reward, it's a reminder that we are already one with the Source. As Jesus said, "All that is mine is yours." The Father-Mother's garden is infinite, and there is always a place for you in it. 6. Integrative ritual. Every morning, write on a piece of paper, "Today I allow myself to receive without guilt, without fear, and with gratitude." Place the paper under a plant, and every time you water it, remember that you are also nurturing your garden of worthiness. Abysses. High vibration closing. Aphorism. I deserve because I exist, and I exist because the universe dreamed me worthy of love. Quantum challenge. In the next 24 hours, accept a gift or compliment without justifying or giving anything in return. Just receive. Activation code. Repeat it 3 times, feeling your heart expand.